Selling on Facebook Marketplace is one of the fastest and easiest ways to start earning money with your woodcrafts. No tech skills, no website, and no shipping required. In this video, I'll walk you through what to say, how to price, and what to include so your listing stands out and sells. Hi, I'm Jen Fossey, creator of Woodcraft Blueprints, and I help people go from intimidated by tools to making and selling beautiful woodcrafts with confidence. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to list your woodworking projects on Facebook Marketplace without feeling overwhelmed or salesy. First, let's start with why Facebook Marketplace. Well, one, it's free to list, which is great. No selling fees. You're reaching local buyers who are usually already looking for pieces. It's a good way to sell bulky items or big things like benches or furniture without worrying about shipping. Although there are some cons, such as you may get lowball offers and no-shows can be common. There is no seller protection. It's not great for long-term branding, and it can be crowded in certain categories. But bottom line, it is one of the best low-risk ways to get started if you want to turn your craft into cash, especially with the right process. Now let's talk about what actually sells, because those are the ones that people are already searching for. So think about what somebody is already typing into Facebook Marketplace. A bench for entryway, a raised planter box, raised garden bed, or maybe a handmade table. So focus on projects that are functional. Something like benches, organizers, shelves, and also make sure that they are trendy, like if they have a farmhouse style or you use neutral colors. So start there and you're more likely to get messages later down the line like, can you make this in gray, or can you make this in such and such size? How to write your listing is very important because it has to answer all of the seller questions. So you have to start with a title. Usually it's the keywords that that person is looking for. So bench would be included. You could also do handmade farmhouse bench. And then your description, you want to talk about what it's built from or how it is built or it's stained, and then like where it can be used at. So for example, this farmhouse style bench is built from pine wood, sanded smooth, and stained. I've got 4 different stain colors if you do custom orders. It's perfect for your entryway, mudroom, or your bedroom. Also very important to put your sizes in there. So the length, the height, and the depth. And then if you do custom orders, put your custom sizes available in there too. And then you'll also want to include your finish options. And then if you have pictures of those stain examples, definitely include those well. Visuals are great. And then towards the bottom, I would add looking for a different color or size. Just send me a message. Custom orders are welcome. Message me today to reserve yours, limited slots each week. So if we are selling custom orders on Facebook Marketplace, you should require a down payment before starting any custom build. At least 50%, that's what I've always done, just to help cover your materials. So here's how to phrase that in a listing. For custom builds, I ask for a 50% deposit to cover materials and lock in your spot. The rest is due at pickup or before delivery. And just make it sound like it's part of your process, because it is. And then let them know the payment options, which would be Venmo or PayPal or just whatever you use. Venmo is great. A lot of people use it. PayPal is also really good though, and it's better for larger formal orders because you can send professional invoices. Now let's talk about photos. Photos are usually what sell. That's what gets people to click. And the photos are your first impression. So buyers are already thinking, they see the price and they see the photo and they want to know, is this product worth this price? They're already thinking that. So you need to make sure your photos are good so that it validates your price. So let's talk about some photos, some quick tips. Try to use natural lighting. Don't take pictures at night because it's just really dark. Shoot near a window or outside, but not in direct sunlight because that washes out the photo. So you just want to make sure it has natural light, but not too much light. I also recommend staging your product. So don't just take a picture in your wood shop, set it out on your porch or your neighbor's porch or somewhere where it just looks nice. Showing it as an example makes people understand exactly what it's for. You also want to capture different angles. So when you're taking a photo, you're going to do it from different different angles overhead, get up close so they can see the grain as well, the wood grain. Or just make sure that your background is not overly cluttered. And that's why I don't really recommend taking photos in your wood shop, because usually there's distracting lumber in the back. Including a photo of the process is a pretty good idea, just don't have too many of those. And then if you do edit your photos, don't over edit them, because they really need to still, have that actual color that they are. And I would say the more photos, the better. And in Facebook Marketplace, you can do videos. So within the app, you would click on that video button and you just it is a silent video. It's like 15 seconds long, just going over the product. That just is validation that that product is actually real. You're a real person, real product. When pricing your projects, you need to factor in your materials and your time to get your costs, and then you add in your profitability margin. And you can look at similar listings, but don't try to be the cheapest, because that's a race to the bottom. You're not trying to be the cheapest, you're offering handmade custom quality work, okay? Include your custom pricing process and your estimated turnaround time. If it takes you 2 weeks, let them know. And remember, with your listing and your pricing, the more clear you are, the easier it is for people to say yes. A confused person is not going to buy. So yes, you can start selling your wood projects on Facebook Marketplace. It's fast, it's simple, and it's a great way to get paid for doing what you love. If you are looking for projects to sell, then join us in the Woodcraft Blueprints membership. It gives you step-by-step tutorials, business tips, tool trainings, and an amazing community. The link is in the description to join.